if I jump in here, this is, NSPECT in all of its glory of what we're doing here. So we've got a number of points, that we placed here, but let's go to the meat of it. So that quick, we generate a report to where we've extracted this 2D image, out. This was reported by the WGA network, it was reported today. The category, this is a franchisee responsibility. It has not been resolved. The status, it hasn't been approved. It's got a deficiency status. We don't have any additional comments that have been added at this point. But, we can see that this is no longer a valid offer, that this needs to be removed. And so this right here allows us to move through and see, you don't have to walk this entire facility. You're able to go directly to where all the points are, who reported it, when the problem is. And if you need to basically add a comment and give feedback, you can give it right here. And this is the same thing. If I go take this, if I scroll back up and say, let me generate a link and let's go incognito for a second. And then if you notice, we've got a tokenized link up there. Just as I was talking, you don't have to be logged into the application. You're able to come in with that, secure link, and I can still add comments back and say, my name is Stuart. This promotion, we are still doing this promotion. That's why this is here, and so that's going to get pushed right back to those inspectors. Just as we're sitting here, I can generate and say, let's take this all the way out to a PDF report level. And I go and open the PDF, and we're sitting here with a PDF branded with your company information, push down. These reports are customizable. Same thing. All the data that sits here, we've got all the information. I can email this right over to somebody and they can get to work, right away on top of this.
So I think I'm seeing two things here. One is a PDF where somebody might just have it in the field, be making notes. But the other was the link to the report. Is it when you send the link, that's the one where the communication can be two ways.
Correct. So on the link itself in a PDF, we're not actually, we're not interactive, obviously, on a PDF. That's more printed out. It's the clipboard that makes the magic happen, right? Nothing gets done on a job site without a clipboard. Print it out, put it on there and go. But then when the guy sits, the newer guy, right, the new clipboard is the iPad. So he opens up his iPad and he's scrolling through with this link that might have just been text to him. And then he's able to open up and then be able to say, that this is done. He can give feedback. And then it starts coming back and forth from corporate, for lack of better words.